Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 22, June 2016, question 31. The gases coming from a car's engine contain oxides of nitrogen. How are the formed? Nitrogen reacts with carbon dioxide? No. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen. Nitrogen reacts with carbon monoxide? No. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen? Yes. Nitrogen reacts with petrol? No. So this makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 32. Ammonia is manufactured by a reversible reaction. The forward reaction is exothermic. What is the effect of increasing the pressure on the percentage yield and the rate of formation of ammonia? An increase in pressure will favor the side with the lesser number of moles. So the number of moles of reactants are 4 and products is 2. So increasing the pressure would increase the percentage yield of ammonia. So this eliminates options A and B. And the rate of formation. So since pressure favors the equilibrium to shift forward, the rate of formation of ammonia would increase, eliminating option C and making option D the correct option for this question. Question 33. The contact process is used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Which statement about this process is not correct? A catalyst of iron is used, so this is not correct. V2O5 is used. Oxygen from air is used to react with sulfur dioxide, correct. Sulfur dioxide dissolved in sulfuric acid to form oleum, correct. The temperature used is around 450 degrees Celsius, correct. So option A is the correct option for this question. Question 34. Lime, calcium oxide is used to treat wastewater from a factory. Which substance is removed by lime? So it would remove acidic impurities. Ammonia is basic, so it will not be removed. Sodium chloride is neutral, will not be removed. Sodium hydroxide is basic, will not be removed. Sulfuric acid is acidic, so it will be removed by treating it with a base, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 35. The diagram shows the separation of petroleum into fractions. So we have gasoline coming out, then we have got X, Y, and Z, and then we've got bitumen. So what could be X, Y, and Z? So the options are diesel oil, lubricating oil, and paraffin. So out of these, paraffin is the one with the greatest MR. So Z should be, no, paraffin is the one with the lowest MR. Yes, the release of fractions is based on the boiling points, and the boiling point depends on the length of the carbon chain. So the one with the shortest carbon chain out of these three would be X, and the one with the longest would be Z. So paraffin is the one with the shortest carbon chain. So X should be paraffin. And the one with the longest carbon chain would be the lubricating fraction because it comes just before bitumen, which makes Y diesel oil. So A has X as diesel oil, so that gets eliminated. B also gets eliminated. We continue with C and D. Y is diesel oil, so this eliminates option C, and Z is lubricating fraction, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 36. Which compound is not an alkane? So C1234, C4, H3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, H10. So 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. This is an alkane. B, C234, C4, H3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, H10. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10. B is also an alkane. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, and H is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, H8. So 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So this is not an alkane. And the last one is 3 plus 1, 4, C4. H would be 3, 3 is 9 plus 1, 10, H10. So C4 and H would be 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So A, B, and D are alkanes, and C is not an alkane. In fact, it is an alkene, making option C the correct option for this question. Question 37. An ester is formed when a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol. Which ester is formed when propanoic acid and ethanol react? So this would be called ethyl because that is the name of the alcohol, and propanoic acid is the acid, so it would be called propanoate, ethyl propanoate. So ethyl propanoate. So the formula would be propanoate would be CH3, CH2, CH2, C double O, then ethyl CH2 and CH3. So A has ethyl ethanoate as the ester present. B has 1, 2, 3. Propyl ethanoate as the ester present. C has methyl propanoate as the ester present, and D has ethyl and propanoate. Okay, one correction. There are only one CH2 group between CH3 and C double bond O, and not two as I previously made. So this is the structure of ethyl propanoate as given in D. So this makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 38. What is an advantage of producing ethanol by fermentation of sugar compared to the catalytic addition of steam to ethene? The alcohol produces purer? No, it needs to be distilled. The process is faster? No, the process is slower. The process uses high temperature? No, it uses 30 degrees Celsius as temperature. The process uses renewable raw materials? Yes, sugarcane is the renewable raw material used, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 39. In which row are monomers and polymer chains correctly matched? So the monomer is CH3CH double bond CH3. So this would make the polymer CH3 in continuous chain. So this is correct. In B, we've got CH2 and CHCl. So this would make CH2, CHCl, CH2, CHCl. So the polymer is incorrect. In C, we've got CH3, CH, and CH2. So we would have CH3 in brackets and then CH2. But here the CH3 is part of the chain. So CH3 is placed incorrectly. And in D, we've got CH2 and CH, CH2, CH3. So CH2, CH3 should be in the chain as written on the right side of the polymer, but not on the left side. So this polymer is incorrect as well. So this makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 40. Which two polymers have the same linkages bonding the monomers together? Nylon and complex carbohydrates. Nylon has an amide bond and complex carbohydrates have a glycosidic link, so they're not the same. B. Nylon and protein. Nylons are polyamides, proteins are also polyamides, so both of them have got amide bonds linking the monomers together. Pterylene and complex carbohydrates. Pterylene is a polyester. Complex carbohydrate has glycosidic links. Pterylene and protein. Pterylene is a polyester. Protein is a polyamide. So pterylene would have an ester bond and protein would have an amide bond. So this makes option B the correct option for this question.